Please get ready for a dictation of exercise number 25 from December 2019 issue of Progressive Magazine. 5 seconds. Start. Sir, I have great experience of being in the select committee and we discussed the bill in great detail. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of the bill, there is the politics of the bill. Sometimes when it is convenient, the government or the principal opposition don't want to discuss the politics of the bill. If we ask someone what is GST, he will probably tell you that it is goods. Sir, I found a very interesting quote from 2011. It said, the new constitution amendment draft proposed by the government of India is retrograde. It is completely against fiscal federalism. It was said by the finance minister of Gujarat in 2011. I have forgotten who the chief minister of Gujarat was in 2011. But this was said, sir, and the now Honorable Prime Minister said in February 2014, without proper IT and infrastructure, GST is impossible to implement. Sir, this politics of GST is very important because for 2 years, 2 houses were stalled by 2 abbreviations by the BJP. One was GST and the other one was FDI. So our memory is very short. We are done with the BJP. Now we get to this side. Mr. Chidambaram used a very nice one. GST, he said, was good sense triumphs. Sir, but our interpretation or your interpretation when you came to the select committee with your colleagues was not good sense triumphs, but was go slow tactics. This is exactly what your colleagues did in the select committee. This is all of us here in the middle who were not the Congress or the BJP, that is the SP and other, all of us saw the go slow tactics, but unfortunately the select committee is not on prime time television, these parliamentary debates. But this is the situation of the select committee and former finance minister. Today, he made the point that his party is for the idea of GST. Of course, we are also for the idea, but only having an idea is no good. We are for the implementation of GST. Former finance minister made a nice point about the triangle of the contract, the states and the people. Sir, I want to tell the Congress party, we also believe that that is where you have to find a solution. But the difference between us and the Congress is we believe The bottom of that triangle is the people. All of us are on the same page on this. Sir, 18% cannot go into that constitutional amendment. You spent every minute of the select committee stopping it. The empowered committee of state finance ministers, numbering 21 or 22, were unanimous that you cannot have the 18% either in the constitutional amendment or in the GST bill. But the language I was hearing today is that we will let you play the first innings. When it comes to the second innings, we will try and block you. I think if the tone is conciliatory, and the tone ought to be conciliatory, this Parliament must debate, must deliberate, must legislate. We also need to implement. We must implement. Sir, now let us come to the role of this select committee. I said, if we shoot right, we will shoot this side also. Thank heavens that we have the Rajya Sabha, because if there was no Rajya Sabha, there would have been no select committee. And then you would not have got the wisdom of the Rajya Sabha. But let me quote to you what was said very recently. To what extent is the upper house going to be used to block economic decision making? In Australia, UK, and Italy, the debate is on because ultimately the weight of a directly elected house will always have to be maintained. It was said by the leader of the house. Sir, if you are being in a conciliatory mood, this is not what the leader of the house should have said, because otherwise we would have used the Lok Sabha and bulldozed legislation. It came to the Rajya Sabha. Many points were made. Everyone had points to make, and based on these points, there was a lot of change to the legislation. Yes, there was the exempted category on petroleum crude. Our states had a problem with that, and we appreciate that it was taken care of. So was tobacco products, so was interstate transactions, so was the dispute resolution mechanism, and we did not want a separate authority. Stop.